Okay, we're going to saute some salmon. Make this quickly. Over here on the left, the pan has the fresh rosemary, not dry because dry has no flavor, onion and butter and garlic. The pan over here on the right, this is the one that we're going to saute the fish in, and it has virgin olive oil and butter. This way the butter won't burn. This is the fish. Salt, pepper, do the same on the other side. And we're going to dust the salmon in cornmeal, not coarse, and flour. That takes care of that. And we have lemon, fresh lemon slices, which is going to go into this one after that starts cooking, and some white wine and fresh parsley. And we're not going to simmer the fish in anything because, like I said, I want this to be crispy. So we have the flour right here, and cornstarch mix. Not cornstarch. What I said earlier. Cornmeal. Get it straight. Okay. Now, one piece might be done before the other because we're going to have this on the rare side. We don't want to eat salmon that isn't juicy. That takes care of that. And the other one, we're going to raise the flame a little here, like so. This I'm making too much noise, people say, with banging on the, but nothing I can do about it. That's how you cook normally yourself. So, and there's the lemon slices, peeled. And the white wine. I'm using Riesling only because, I don't know, the rosemary is a little, not bitter, but it's not that, it's like a strong flavor. And maybe the sweetness of the Riesling will cut that. So that's going. Raise the flame. That's done in 1 minute. Crunchy fish. What else do I have here that I forgot to do? Anything? No, I'm good. It's always I forget something. We happen to like it, my wife and I. The salmon is really, really pink inside. And then if you look, well, now we can bring the camera down and look at the side view. Side view. See the bottom where it's turning a lighter color? Well, that's almost a third of the way through. Now we're going to turn this. Tilt the pan so you don't splatter yourself. Turn it this way. That's crunchy already. I like that. It didn't matter what side you started cooking because there's no skin and it's not curling up. And this is just about ready. I'm not stopping the film on this. We're cooking this straight through. And then we have this is just about ready. We have the chopped parsley, fresh, in there. If you do that too soon, it could turn like brownish and not keep its beautiful green color. And the rosemary, it doesn't matter. It stays its color. That smoke is good. That means we're getting nice and crispy. And to pick up some of the flavor of the salmon, we're going to take some of this juice. I'm going over here now, and I'm going to pour it into that mixture. Why? Because it has a nice flavor. The butter browned up a little, and you know how tasty that is. Okay, we're done. You notice how long that took? Now I'm going to turn this over onto the plate. And take this. Put it over the salmon. I turned it over so we have the skin side is on the bottom if it had skin. The top looks better. Now we take this and we just go nice and easy over that. And there we're done. But what I'm going to show you now is the finished plate with everything in it that we're having for dinner. That's the finished plate. Some not basmati rice, the other one, whatever it's called, and fresh spinach with onions and garlic. And that's a video I just made. That was delicious too. Hope you enjoy it.